In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to setting my day off on Basecamp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to mark yourself as out of office so your team understands when you're away and when you'll be back. Let's start right from your Basecamp home screen. Once you're logged in and you're on the main homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, sometimes called your avatar. This is usually a small circle with your photo or initials in it. Go ahead and click that avatar. This is where Basecamp keeps all of your personal options and account preferences, including your out-of-office settings. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Profile and Preferences. In some versions of Basecamp, you might also see a direct option called Out of Office. Either way is fine. If you see Profile and Preferences, click that first and then look for the Out of Office section on the page that appears. This area is designed to control how you show up to your teammates when you're not available. Inside the Out of Office section, you'll find a simple switch or toggle labeled something like I'm out or Out of Office. By default, this is usually turned off. To let Basecamp and your coworkers know that you're taking a day off, turn that toggle on. When you do, Basecamp understands that you won't be actively responding, and it can adjust notifications and status indicators accordingly. Once the out-of-office toggle is on, you'll see options to set the specific dates you'll be away. First, choose your start date, which is when your time off begins. Then, select your end date, which is the last day you'll be out. Take a moment to double-check those dates so they accurately match your planned time off. This helps avoid confusion and makes sure your status returns to normal automatically once you're back. After you've set your dates, look for the option to save or confirm your changes. This might be a Save or Done button at the bottom of the page. Click that to lock in your settings. Saving is important. If you close the page without doing this, your out-of-office status may not be applied. That's all you need to do to set your day off in Basecamp. You've updated your profile, turned on the I'm out status, selected your dates, and saved everything so your team knows exactly when you're away.